Okay, so script coverage. This is how the industry evaluates screenplays before anything moves. Readers score your structure, your characters, your dialogue, commercial potential. Professional coverage runs $75 to $150 a read. Free Screenwriter does it in 30 seconds for free, and the notes are actually useful. Let me show you how it works. I've got the social network loaded, the full Aaron Sorkin script, 15 scenes, 120 pages. Mark and Erica in the bar, the dorm room coding scene, the depositions, Sean Parker, Eduardo getting diluted, all of it. This is what the AI coverage tool is going to analyze. Real material, real complexity. Coverage tab. The AI already read every scene heading, every line of action, every exchange of dialogue, and built a full scored report. This is what a development exec would see before deciding whether to pass the script up the chain. Let me open the report. Look at this. Title, author, page count, genre, setting, time period, all extracted automatically. Hollywood comparison, Citizen Kane meets Wolf of Wall Street. That's not bad. Logline, brief summary, themes, all generated from reading the script. Then you get strengths and weaknesses with specific citations. Sorkin's rapid-fire dialogue gets flagged as a strength. The underdeveloped female characters get flagged as a weakness. These aren't generic notes. They're the kind of notes a $200 per read script reader would give you for free.